Friends, today I am going to present presentation on college library automations, issue, challenges, and solutions. I will present my presentation in brief, uh, in brief, in brief way. So my topic is the college library automations, issue, challenges and solutions. The concept of automation in library has changed the scenario of library management. It is one of the recent trend in library automation. Automation has changed the operation and function of library. It works faster than manually, but during the process of automation, many problems barriers arises. This paper throw light on meaning of automation, needs, benefit, objectives of library automation, etc. Steps in library automation is discussed in this paper. This paper also discussed on various problems, issues, barriers which arises during the automation of college libraries. Solution to various problems that arises during automation is also mentioned in these papers. Keywords: college library, automation, software, hardware, library automation, etc. Introduction: present era is the technology era. Due to advancement in information technology, everything has changed. Library is no exception to it. Library scenario has drastically changed in terms of collection, organization, and services. Simultaneously, users' demands attitude have changed in its kinds. Also, the information seeking behavior of user has dynamically changed. They want relevant, authentic information very quickly with a single place at their hand. The concept has posed challenges for library professionals for quick delivery of library services and information. This development in library field has brought the idea of library automation. The term automation was first introduced by D.S. Harder in 1936. Library automation efforts began in 1930, but during the 1970s, the invention of integrated computer chip and storage devices led to substantial increase in use of mini and microcomputers. In 1980, library automation became a possible proposition to all types of libraries. The late 1990s and early 90s have seen the rise in computer networking. In 1990, the vendors offered a wide choices of integrated library software packages. Now computers are used in each and every library to carry out their works. It is also mandatory for any college library for undergoing NAAC accreditation. Meaning, there are various definitions of library automations. So, according to the encyclopedia dictionary of library automation, encyclopedia of library according to encyclopedia of library automation, the automation is the technology concerned with the design and development of the process of systems that minimize the necessity of human intervention, human intervention in the operation. Need for library automation. Following points are important to go for automation of college libraries. Information explosion at very large scale, availability of various type databases, inability of user to search specific required information, various changes in ICT and information resources, save the time of staff and users to provide library services at anywhere, any times. Objectives of library automations: best use of resources in the library, save the time of staff and user, accuracy in stock verification, setting up best suitable system, efficient use of resources. Benefits of library automations: that is, are maintenance of bibliographic data, providing benefits of library automations. That is need of library automation. We have discussed this point. Then objectives of library automations: Best use of resources in the library. This point is also discussed we earlier. Then benefits: maintenance of bibliographic data, providing overall view of library stock, helpful in avoiding repetitive library operations, faster retrieval of information, resource sharing through various library networks, remote access to library resources through tools like Webo packs, and saving time of user and etc. Steps in library automations: mainly 4 steps, that is installation of hardware and software, data entry of records and conversion in database, importing database in softwares, print out of barcode and pasting on books. There are problems in library automations, and there are many problems of library automations. That is like initial investment for automation program is very high. It is long term and time consuming process. Unskilled staff, continuing staff training is required for library automation. Security problems, totally depend on electricity, costly maintenance, required update software packages, retrospective conversions, and etc. Baheti has also mentioned the following issues and challenges in library automations. Memane SM has also given the following problems like technological problem, economical problem, attitude problem, non-availability of suitable software, level of library skill staffs. Mohe PS has also mentioned the following problems like non-availability of ICT trained staff, lack of training facilities, taking more for retrospective conversion and barcoding of documents, lack of motivation for performing better, frequency changes in ICT and etc. Rameshwaram, Ranpise PR has also mentioned following barriers of library automations. There are solutions to these library automation problems, like user of library should give training to make him independent, handle the library software. The in-house training programs should be conducted on part-time basis, would help the staff members to practice and assimilate more. In-service training at regular interval should be provided to keep the staff abreast with latest technology. Vacant posts need to be filled up and new recruitment as per requirement takes place. Dahake has also mentioned some solution to overcome these problems, like selection of proper staffs, attending the training programs. Memane has given SMGO has given like some solution to the problems. Conclusion: lastly, today library automation has become a necessity for any library. So success of library automation depends upon its proper planning and implementation. So automation of library system leads to better output, cost effective, and ensures better output, cost effective, and ensures better work environment. So automation of the library has become the need of the hour to access the database of the worldwide. Without automation, there is no networking. An automated library can serve the teaching and learning community more effectively. The well-planned automated library enhance the services and promote use of library. By library automation, library can provide efficient and effective service to its users. So automation of college library, it is never in a day, it is a process of years. It needs manpower, money power, and willpower of the working staff of the libraries as well as management of the institutes. So librarians and library staff must have sufficient knowledge of hardware and software so that he or she can manage the operation smoothly and very efficiently. Library automation will improve your library standards, but not only improve your library standards, but also helpful in improving library library information and services to the users. To overcome the problems of automation in college libraries, librarian and library staff should prepare for automation by mentally, economically, and from all point of view. Librarians should focus on training and educating the staff for automation. Professional bodies and institutions should come forward to train the library person in this regard. So, automation of the library is not the responsibility of the librarian alone, but is a teamwork which needs cooperation among each member of every section. Thank you. Captain.